Yo, what's up guys, that's Mckoy here, the first Beat Fact. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to talk about lip oscillation or lip bass part number 2. Okay, makapag-English nga muna. Alright, so I already made a reaction video of Alexino versus BR. I read the comments as well, and it really convinced me to watch it. I made that reaction video, and I'm kinda hesitant to release it because I made there some straight to the point comments about the battle. So let me know if you're interested. I want to share those thoughts with you guys. And before I start the tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Mckoy TV, and hit the bell notification button for you guys to be updated. And also don't forget to visit my gaming channel, that's Mckoy Gaming. I already played for the very first time PUBG Mobile, so you might want to check those out. I don't know if it'll be funny. I just hope that it will, but my first time. This is my very first time playing the PUBG. It was fun. Okay, so yun nga. My apologies if you won't be able to understand what I'm about to say because I'm going to speak in full Tagalog. Okay, so lip oscillation. A lot of maraming beatboxers ang gumagamit dito or nito before, lalo na nung kasikatan ng push me and then just touch me until I get my satisfaction. Yung ganon. Okay, so yun yung lip oscillation, yung medyo matining na part ng lip bass. Yan yung lip bass. Yung lip bass part number 1 na pinag-aralan natin nung previous tutorial. Before you guys go on with this tutorial, I really do suggest that you visit the part 1 of this lip oscillation or lip bass for you guys to have an idea of what para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung paano ang lip bass part number 2, which is yung matigas na lip bass. Alright? Okay. So medyo madali lang to. Yung idea niya is parang magi-smack kayo, no? Manggagayan kayo. Yung posisyon ng bibig mo nakaganon. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung pressure is yun nandito. Matigas dito na part. Ano? And then, what you're going to do next is to transfer that pressure here. Nakaganito siya. Matigas. Para kayong kung marunong na kayo mag BMG snare, good. Pag hindi pa, you can visit my description box. Nilagay ko din yung link ng BMG snare, pero hindi naman talaga essential yun. Just an idea, kapag marunong na kayo ng BMG snare, makakatulong din to dito. Anong ganun yung posisyon ng bibig. BMG snare na hindi ganun na, as in ganun. Flat lang yung bibig, pero matigas yung labi. Third step is to pronounce or to read the word to. But this time we are going to combine the first, second, and third step. Ang magiging tunog niya ay gets? Ganun lang siya kasimple. Well, isa to sa mga basic sounds na nakalimutan kong ituro dati, pero ito, hinahabol ko na siya as part 2 ng lip oscillation at lip bass. So, depende kung gaano kahigpit ang inyong mga labi, magdedepende din doon yung pitch ng tunog. Besides to, pwede nyong gamitin din ang woo, W-O. Kasi parang solid effect yun eh. From manipes na lip oscillation to makapal. Huwag naman nasipin yan. Okay? Kung mapapansin nyo, from loose na dila, from loose na bibig hanggang sa mahigpit na bibig, managvavary kung magiging lip bass or lip oscillation part 1 siya or lip bass oscillation part number 2. Parang ganito. Ganun. Okay, so pwede nyong gamitin pang disco to. Sa next tutorial ko, gagawa ako ng separate video para sa disco patterns, from basic to complex. Pero dito, you can experiment from the build up hanggang sa marating nyo yung pang-hype ng tao. Don't just go and present the kailangan may intro kumbaga, para ma-appreciate ng tao yung banat. You can start with yung mic, tulad neto, kunyari mic, dito nalagay. Naku, ganun kayo dapat. Dito yung bibig nyo, dito yung ilong nyo. Yan. So, patterns na pwede nyong pagpraktisan. Pwede nyong gamitin ang manipis na lip oscillation sa technicals tulad ng iba yung parang ganun. It really depends on you guys. If you wanted to use lip oscillation, hard lip oscillation on technicalities, I really do suggest that you start with the kick drum or the inward case snare or a rim shot. Of course, lahat naman nagsisimula sa BTK. Kapag nasanay na kayo sa BTK, then you can insert a lot of sound effects. I really like pops. And yun. There you go, guys. I really do hope that you learned something from me today. I'm going to create a separate video combining the lip oscillation part number 1 or lip bass part number 1 and lip bass part number 2, and we are going to create different patterns: disco, techno, electro, trap music, dubstep, and technicalities. So that will be tomorrow as per request, and then a shout out video. Let me know, guys, if you wanted me to post the reaction video that I made for Alizino versus BR World Beatbox Championship. for you guys to hear my insights. If you're interested, let me know, comment them down, and I'm going to see you tomorrow for the tutorial video, another tutorial video. Peace, bro.